Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to turn off auto answer calls on your Android phone. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Auto answer feature lets you enter incoming calls automatically. Auto answer just is useful for handling a large volume of calls. And on my previous video, I've shown you how to enable this feature on your phone. But now, what if you just accidentally turn on this feature and now you want to turn this off? You don't know how to do it. It's very simple. First of all, you can just go to your phone look here. Now you can go to settings, tap on the upper right corner here on the gear icon. You can scroll down and you can see there is an option auto answer. You can just tap on that. So to turn this off, you can tap on the toggle in here. So now you have turned off this feature from your phone. But if you want to change the settings, maybe you want to change the delay auto answer, you can change from 5 seconds to 10 seconds. Or you want to uh, set the auto answer only when you're using headset only, you can select on headset only. But if you really don't want the calls when the calls coming is automatically answered, you can just disable this feature like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn off, how to disable auto answer calls on your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.